we're here na. So, yeah, Terminal 3! Yahoo! Hi! So, we're flying to Taiwan and we are flying via Cebu Pacific and the current situation now is like this. Medyo mahaba yung pila, pero mas mahaba yung pila sa kabila. So, they are mixing the backdrop of international and domestic. So, medyo mahaba pa. So, good thing we arrived early. So, our flight is 6:05 and we're here at the airport ng 2 a.m. So, hopefully, immigration and such will be easy. Alright, bye! Hi! We're going to Taiwan! This is Taiwan's winter season. So, medyo madami kaming bit-bit for now. And first time ng sister ko na maka-experience ng winter. And medyo tiring kasi I think mga 2 hours na kaming nag-pass through check-in and immigration. Then, medyo mahaba lang yung pila. But now, we're all set. It's just that we will be eating some snacks before flying. So,
Doon tayo sa dulo, mama.
nakuha na rin namin lahat ng luggages. So here it is. Next agenda is to withdraw and buy Easy Card. So that's it. I'll catch up with you guys later. Bye! So ngayon, kumukuha sila dito ng tubig. Ito yung nasa basement. So we got our Easy Cards. This one is mine. 179 lang yan. And inom sila ng tubig.
Yung warm ba? Amin sa'yo, amin.
Babas tayo papuntang Taipei City.
Wala pa na ako may gato na.
Catch up na
Yung mga konti.
Welcome to Taiwan! So we're now walking papunta sa next bus station and malapit na tayo sa Airbnb. I think another 30 minutes away na lang tayo. So let's go! Hi! So we're here now, getting lunch. We're here in one of the local restaurants here sa area lang. So this is what we ordered. Braised pork. Yan. Nag-order kami ng tofu and egg. So hindi pa siya tumagal. So let's try. Sa may shimending, mayroon akong favorite na ganito. Na spot ng ganito.
Ang sarap niya, guys.
Do you like it, Sia? Sarap.
Hindi nga ako makaano.
ang weather today?
Saks lang.
Socks lang, pero balot na balot. Kamusta naman ang Taiwan, ma?
Ready na. Ready na. Lamig na Taiwan.
So we're here now at Shimendi. So bibili kami ng OG na milk tea, Shinfuta. Cheers!
Amoy ano, stinky tofu.
How was
Amoy
it?
mo yun? That's stinky tofu.
How was it?
Asan yung stinky tofu?
Ria recommends. Riang approve.
Siya po.
Stinky tofu.
How was it? Sarap.
Yummy.
Sarap. Sana sa'yo? Ah, wow. Wow.
Hinahalo to?
Chili sauce ko na. How was it? How was it?
Yummy. Sarap.
Dahan, mainit.
Napapapidan sa siya. Ang sarap. Ano masarap na Xiaolong Bao? Din Tai Fung or Shin Putang? Ano answer mo?
Bong.
No, just pick one. Tapos na kami mag-dinner sa Yuling Chicken. Masarap siya and affordable. And now, lalaro na lang kami ng ganyan.
Kachi-kachi. Scam sila.
So, nasa street kami. Mga damit.